So I'm coming in here. I'm like, yo, price just hit some crazy resistance levels, some zones right here, some support zones where it's just like, it's looking like it's not gonna keep pushing through because we got this big ass wick. But nonetheless, this just to like reinforce my little trading idea, my plans, whatever I'm gonna take, right? So I come down here. I saw this from yesterday. I came down here, marked out my lows. Like usually I like to go with the London lows, but given the situation of the market, I wasn't getting nothing. I was only getting like, you know, the pre-market lows. If I go all the way back here, then I'm in Narnia with it. And these are just invalid lows. It's like, last week stuff. So I don't really need those right now. Obviously they're stronger, but I don't really need those. I'm just scalping in there. So I come down here, I mark the lows and I mark the highs of the market this morning. They both happen to be pre-market. This happened to be just right at the start pre-market, so it was still a good London session still going on. And then boom, waited over here, market opened, So I actually did happen to get tapped on my trade. I got tapped into my trade earlier. I marked this gap right here, just a little reassurance, just in case if I don't break through it, then I know I'm selling. So little bearish fair value gap. It inversed this. It was beautiful. Inverse retouch too. Swept it. Great. But I had my buy stop set right here, my sell stop set right here. My buy stoppers right here, pre-market. I came in, left the computer for a bit. I was shook. Come back. I'm in the trade, right? I'm in the profits, and out of nowhere, I'm in the negatives. I'm like, whoa, I tapped in early because market didn't open yet. So I scaled out to the 1 minute. I'm looking, I'm like, okay, what's this price action that I'm seeing? You see him? So I'm seeing here, boom. So at the 9:30 pre-market, I was above that resistance level I was looking for. So now it became my support. So I'm cool with it. Came down here, closed below it a little bit, kind of shook me, but I'm looking, I'm thinking, yeah, I'm waiting for the 5 minute candle to close. So I'm not stressing. That 5 minute candle comes by, boom, shot right through. I already have I got my targets right here. I'm trading that 3 to 1 for like I'm risking 25 points. And I got 100, I got 75. I want 75, but I got 25 on the line, whatever. That's not the fully accurate, but something similar. I'm looking look, go down to the 1. I was a little bit shook right here. Cause shit, yeah, boy, done almost got, you know what I'm saying, liquidity swept. I almost became liquidity. Not even liquidity, but I almost got swept out. Just boom. I was right there. It was like 3, 4, 5 points away from this. I'd have been done. Actually, let me see this. What is this? Yeah, I was dead ass. Like I was 6 points away. 6.5. Yeah, 6.5 because 7.5. It's a little inaccurate. So yeah, I was right there. But boom, that 5 minute candle, boy. I tell you, closed strong as hell. Cause it gave me full TP within that 5 minutes. So I was only in the straight for like 2 seconds. Let me see if I go here. Settings. I took 2 trades. I took one in the micros and I took one in the um on the minis, but I closed the minis one early because I didn't want to risk losing profits or anything. So I just closed it because I didn't need it. I think I was really good with the micros that I was taking. Let's see if it shows here. Yeah, boom. I was in the trade for a minute. This today. Where's today's trade? Where's today's trade? I mean, my average trade today, I don't even know where to find that. I ain't gonna lie to you. Speaking about Wednesday, I need to see Thursday stats. So Thursday, I think the stats aren't even updated yet. The stats updated. Okay. Well, it don't got the stats. But look. So boom. At 9:26 pre-market. I hopped in with 7 lots. I lost 73 earlier because I was trying to place my targets for my sales, and I clicked market buy instead of market sell instead of a sell stop. And that kind of took me out real quick. Lost some quick profits this morning, but it's okay. We made it all back in blood, feel me? But I got into here like 9:26. The time's a little off. It's not really the same. Time's a little off. 9:26, got into the markets. Boom. Seven micros. So it's nothing too crazy, you feel me? I came up here a minute later. I seen that crazy push. like crazy, crazy push. Like not even a minute. Matter of fact, shit, it was like 4 minutes later, I sold two. Sold two of those little micros for a quick local 114 to a quick partial. Just gotta secure some type of a bag. Can't be too wrong at all. It can't be too wrong, never. And boom, now I'm still in here from 637. As you can see, 634, I hopped in with that full size contract. Now I was shook. So I was trailing heavy. I was trailing. I was trailing crazy on, and I got stopped out in profits, gang. But then again, it's okay because this was not I wasn't trading this morning. But if I was trading this, would have been an extra like grand, 2 grand to the pockets, but it's okay. It's okay. We still got what we needed. We got what we came here for. We can't complain. Cause look, came up here, boom, initial trade. I took the two out at 6:30. Mind you, I hopped in at 6:27. 6:30, I'm already taking $100 off. Quick 3 minute profit. Not too crazy, right? So now I got five more micros in. 10 minutes later, I'm taking out my full size because my DP done already hit. But now I'm just being a little greedy. I want a little more. But then again, I was being a little nervous. So I was just trailing. And boom, the trail. I got stopped out early. I got stopped out on my trail. What the fuck? I got stopped on my trailing for a 947 total plus 25. Just combine those together. Yeah. Quick little profits this morning. Feel me? Nice little damn near a grand, to be honest. So that's a grand to me. I'm like, what, 16 cents away. So it's nothing like crazy. And this trade, that took me 10 minutes. This one of my longer trades this week. And that's because I hopped in early. Now, had I hop in exactly on time, it would have been a little different story. I probably would have missed the trade if the market didn't tap me in early, but I still would have gotten like a nice little price. I would have been like 4 points off my entry, which is not the worst, but it's never something good. You never want to be off that entry. Feel me? You want to just be here. I could have held it. Boom, left the runner. The runner would have came down here. I've stopped break even, just the one runner comes back up top. I could have held that and just, then I bought. Brave. But I felt like taking what the market was giving me today. I just passed this top split count. Like as you can see, like I started off bad. I was revenge trading. I ain't gonna lie. I revenge traded because how the fuck did I lose 4,000? We don't talk about it. But look, we can go back to the stats. Let's see what the stats are in this bit. So yeah, this is my worst day. No, I think it was probably this. This day right here. Let me see. It wasn't nothing too crazy. It was at nighttime. I wasn't even supposed to be in the market for real. I had gotten the account fresh. I missed the trade in the morning. So I wanted to trade at night, you feel me? So I hopped in the market. Boom, I got slapped rude. Lost 315 off the rip. I'm like, damn, I can't go outside though, so I gotta make that shit back. So I hopped back in for like four more contracts. The first one, 140. I tapped out early because I'm a bitch. Couldn't hold it. Next one, tapped out early again, but 190. Still pro if it's profit. I was trailing my stop. And if y'all don't know what trailing the stop is, it's when you hop in the trade and that stop loss you have initially set, you just move it down closer and closer to your entry price. Each time the trade just goes down lower to profits or it goes higher into profits, you just move it closer to that trade. So you're just securing profits. Even if you reverse it, you're securing profits. Because look, I'm trading the Asian session. I trade New York Open. Even right now, I don't trade. I just trade New York Open. So I don't know what's going on. This is uncharted territory to me. You feel me? So whatever. Trailing my stop, aggressive. Mid 140, 190, at 345, 480. Now look, cool. I'm up $8, right? I'm like, yo, up eight. You know what I'm saying? I'm like up eight. And I start thinking about the next day. I'm like, yo, I'm up eight right now. And my trading day hasn't even started yet. Realistically, I could make way more, right? But it don't always go like that. Especially not when you start switching your positions and shit. Cause I'm going short. And out of nowhere, I'm thinking, oh, it's bottomed out. Let me go long. Cause I tried to short. Tapped out early. So I'm like, let me go long with it. Feel me? I go long. Bang. Ooh, kind of hurt a little bit. Feel me? It's like minus 12 points right here. I'm going full contracts, by the way. So I'm like, shit, let me switch to the micros. Go one micro, go long. I'm talking about okay, this kind of nice. Go to micro, see a calm low 10 points up. So I'm like, this is cool. So I go on the full contract. I got slapped in a long as well, but it was after the micro price, and I was a little shook. I got 40 in. So now I'm just like trailing the stop loss again because the market was crazy. It was moving crazy for no reason. It's moving crazy. Now it's 10 a.m. because this the next day. Cause I woke up late that day. I remember I was out. I woke up late. I was like, shit, fuck. You know what I'm saying? Like, dang, I missed my trading day because I see my trade hit TP, like full TP, 75 points. I'm like, I just missed on this move and I'm not gonna get it back. So I had to try and get back what I could. But shit never goes like that. It never goes like that. You can't ever get it back. Once you lose it, it's gone. You even gotta forget about it. But I didn't forget about it. Went back in, got a low 70, got a low 15. I'm like, okay, I'm doing too much. Like that's just OD. Let me stop. So cool. Move on to the next day. Right here, where that at? Oh man. It says 5 trades. It really ain't 5 trades for real. Yeah, it's definitely 5 trades. Shit. I lied. Um, but look, boom, real smooth. Feel me? Hop in the market. This was placed wrong. I had my wrong time, like I had my wrong settings on, so I tapped out early because I didn't want to take that. Cause this is at nighttime. It's again at 8 o'clock. Like I don't want to be here. I took that trade. I'm like, yo, I shouldn't be here. This is not my trading time. Let me leave. I just want my money back from this morning. But it's okay. Lost the 45. I'm like, okay, bad story. Let me leave it there. I'm not going no more. I'm moving forward to the next day. For me, quick little 2:30. Mind you, I was in this trade and I left it early because I'm like, yo, I just hopped into this early. Like I just hopped in early. But then it spiked up and I was like, yo, this is too volatile. Let me leave this guy. I didn't trust it. So now my time comes around. I hop in. Cool little 60 bar for me. I'm happy. I'm chilling. I'm smiling. Whatever. And then shit, bro. I trailed my stop loss again too aggressively because I shorted it. So now I'm like, yeah, that shit about to reverse. It's cool. I lied. I wasn't fooling nobody. So I hopped in. I'm like, all right, let me see this. I tap into the shorts, to the longs once again. And it's like, dang, bro. 475. Now I'm shook because I'm seeing all my profits I made 2 days ago, and I struggle making that. I struggle. I was like, shit, bro, that shit really leaving my pockets right now. And I'm just watching it because I had my strat laid out on the chart, and it's just going my way. But I'm just like, damn, I missed the move. So I'm just trying to hop into the move a little late. It just wasn't working. But it's cool though. It's cool though. Feel me? But it's okay. Lost the 45 when I. So look. Mm, mm, Okay, so look, back to where I was at. I'm out here. I'm out here shook. Feel me? Like you seeing this. I just lost damn near 8 bills. So I'm like, dang, bro. I gotta get this shit back somehow. So cool. Day's over. I ain't trading no more. I was like, whatever, whatever. I left it at that. Came back here. Boom, came back to the next day. Now it says 37 trades. Don't get it twisted. I was over trading a little bit. Because look, hop into the market. Off the rips, 195. Gone. I'm like, dang, bro. Mind you, I'm not supposed to be trading again. It's 8 p.m. I trade at 9 a.m. So I hop in again. Switch positions, 185. Damn, like shit. Now I'm looking, I'm seeing my account going to like neutral to just reds. So I'm like, shit. And then boom, I hop in again. Short again. I'm not giving up. Bang, smacked out. 150. So shit. Y'all can do the math, but it's not looking good. So I hop in once more. I go short. Um, it ain't looking too nice either. 85. Well, mommy ain't raised no bitch, feel me? 2 minutes later, I hop in. Caught a little 290 piece. I'm feeling like a guy. I'm like, okay, we're locked in. We're about to make this shit back. Oh shit, was I wrong? Cause I don't know why I thought, let me go trade some gold. By the way, GC means gold. It's like the future version of XAE USD on Forex. So I'm like, shit, let me go on that. And me and gold, we don't like each other. I love gold, but gold don't like me back. It just take my money. I'm like a trick to gold, so I shouldn't be trading it no more. But I hop in, bang, 280. I'm like, shit. That wasn't even my trade. I was following someone else. I don't even know why I did that off the reps, but I'm like, okay, fuck this. Let me go back to NASDAQ. But NASDAQ won't fucking with me. It's not fucking with me neither, no. So now I'm like 70, 100s, and I'm just taking L's all day. I done took one dub at 290. But it's cool. Came back in, got a little glimpse of hope. Slide 120 up there, you feel me? Yo, I know you see me. Yo, yo, try this guy. My fault. So we back to story time. Feel me? I would make the 120. So it's cool. I got a little smile on my face. I'm still down like 1,000, but it's all good. Feel me? It's just you gotta start somewhere. 290. I'm like, okay, I'm really on my way back to this. And shit, man, I got too confident, too cocky. 360. And guess what? Happened on gold again because I don't know why I was on gold, but fuck, I was on gold. So okay, push that to the side. I'm not touching this shit again. I go to the NASDAQ, 140, 110. Now it's 30. Still down 1,000. But I just hit I'm not touching gold, but it was just moving so smooth. Like it's nighttime. I'm used to the market at nighttime on gold. So I hop back in 60. I'm like, shit, I'm done for real. I'm done. I'm not touching this no more. I'm done. I go back to my NASDAQ, 120, 210. Okay, I'm thinking I'm on my groove back. Now I start losing a look of one, two more. But it's just small losses, small losses, small losses. So it's nothing crazy. Got the 140 at the highest right there. Then we got a dub, the 285. Okay, okay. We're chilling, we're chilling. But now we're just small losses, small dub, big dub. Still losing, still losing. Oh, that 210 hurt. That 210 hurt. But now look though, we ended up the day nice because we were down like 110, whatever it was. So it's like, damn, now we're down a band. And we just made that shit back right there. Boom, boom, made that whole band back. So now we ended up the day of like positive, like I think like a hundred or something, because that's the next day, matter of fact, but it's just carried over. So I had to go to bed minus 1,000. It was hard because I'm out here trading at 7 in the morning. I'm not even supposed to be doing none of that. Trading from 11 to 7, like, it's crazy works. Although we ended up that day 173, 37 trades, kind of crazy. It shouldn't be more than like four, but it's okay. Follow through the next day, the 8 trades here. There's really not 8 trades, but it just felt like bullshit. So it is what it is. Because I hopped in early 2 times here. Those were by accident. These two. tapped out early, whatever. Hopped in here, got smacked. I thought I was a guy. I was not a guy. But it's okay though. We didn't give up because the strat was still in play. Now I'm starting to trust my strategy. I'm thinking the strat's working out. Boom. Hey, 115. We traded micros though, so we're not trading the contracts. Contracts are just it's too risk, too much risk. I couldn't take that much risk yet. You know what I'm saying? Small account, I gotta chill out. I gotta chill out. That whole day come out. Oh, I'm chilling. I'm talking about 115. I'm like, oh, okay, I like this. Got a little more contracts. I close the next one, take some more partials. 230, 250. I'm like, like, yo, am I really getting this? Now, while I'm doing this, I'm on my phone on the side. I got the same trade on my phone. So I'm really on two accounts, but this one's just bringing more bread. So I'm chill. I like this one more. I'm gonna look at this more attention. Now we look at 154. I'm like, oh, okay, so we're getting somewhere. 230. Oh, full TP. I'm talking about, oh, so now the day end up at 798. And I'm like, yo, okay. So, we just came from minus 1.3. So now we're up. I think at the time in the account, like 500 or something. Because, we just had to balance it out. Like 700, matter of fact. What am I saying? It was yesterday, right? So we come in today. Today was just beautiful, impeccable. Doves all around the board. We come in here, this bullshit pissed me off. Right? I was not supposed to do that fair trade. It was an accident. As you can tell, I closed that shit like what 10 seconds later. So it wasn't even supposed to be on there. But boom, I was in the market for like 10 minutes today. Hopped in at the 9:30, got in a little early at 9:27. Tapped me in early, came up, boom, I trade tapped me in. I'm like, nah, I'm shook. Cause look, if I show you the chart, because I have this map plot right here. I was looking at it earlier. I'm shook because I came in. I'm mad early because I'm on this candle, right? Feel me? It just came crazy because it's got this my resistance line. This not supposed to get crossed. Like if it gets crossed, I'm tapping into the trade because that's it gets crossed. Like, yo, it's brainless. I'm in there. But it's supposed to happen after 9:30, not before 9:30. But this should happen before 9:30. I'm going to 1 minute, right? Boom. Now I'm looking at this. Listen, looking at this. 1 minute in, it tapped me in barely in here, dog. So now I'm shocked because like, yo, why am I in this? This is about to reverse back to my teeth. My stop loss, mind you, it's like not crazy, like $300 on the line. Like, oh shit, like it's about to really like it's about to kill me at the market early in the morning before even 9:30 hit. Like 9:30 didn't even hit yet because 9:30 hit, it goes back up. Now I'm a little happy, but 9:30 hit goes up crazy. It just drops. Like, yo, it almost took your boy. Oh, it almost took me out this bit. So now I'm chilling. I'm like, oh, it's kind of crazy, but it gaps up there. I went, okay, and now we chilling. So I'm like, now I'm not stressing because 9:30 blessed me. 9:30 was above my red line. So that's all I need to be. That's all I need. Now I could do is I could go outside, go for a run, do whatever I want. I'm chilling. I know my trade gonna hit. It's just brainless. It's just gonna happen every time. You know what I'm saying? So now I go to the 5 minute. I'm seeing, whoa, the last one was crazy. The next one just happened to be crazier. It's just like, dang, we hit that full TP right here. I took some profits here. So this bounce right here would have been a lot more, but I had to take some profits early just to secure some shit and move my stop loss. But we came up here full TP. It was good. So that's the trade recap for this morning and this week. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy it. I'm out of here.